command for move and daily maintenance from Phase 2, 2 field ambulance, and 2 MP platoon, 1 MP company.
With the increasing tempo and complexity of the modern battlefield, and with difficulties imposed by terrain, sustained operations, and the NBCW threat, more military police tasks must be completed in less time than ever before.
Yes, sir. We're moving. Get the warning order out. Right. Yes, sir. Warning order. The MP company is now on the 30-minute notice to move to a new location.
1, roger, over.
2, roger, over. 3, roger, over.
4, roger, over.
0, roger, out.
Time is of the essence. Some savings can be gained in carrying out task-connected work, but the greatest savings can be realized through well-practiced deployment drills and good battle procedure.
The mission: to support the division in all phases of war.
This necessitates concurrent activity at all levels and minimum delays between the completion of essential activities. Battle procedure is no different for the MP company than any other combat arms unit. It involves time appreciations, warning orders, map appreciation, reconnaissance, estimates, orders, activity coordination, relocation, deployment, and the continuous monitoring of progress at all levels of command.
Your task is to establish traffic control.
Rapid movement and changing tactical situations place a great strain on military police resources, necessitating rapid deployment of jeep teams and frequent changes in the tasks performed.
Right down the bottom here.
Staffs at all levels must keep the military police representatives advised of upcoming activities so that taskings may be coordinated and strains minimized. The Division Military Police Company varies in size and support infrastructure according to the role of the formation to which it is assigned. The company headquarters includes an operations group and an administrative support group. The operations group controls and coordinates tasking and forms part of the regulating headquarters for major road moves. The administrative support group coordinates unit administrative needs, local defense, and supervises unit discipline and welfare. The MP platoons each have the same organizational structure established at approximately 35 all ranks. A standard platoon consists of a headquarters and 4 MP sections. The platoons are not self-sufficient, and all elements must satellite on other units for their first-line service support. The basic section organizational element is the radio-equipped 2-man jeep team. Several teams may be linked or combined to handle large-scale tasks, such as controlling a major route intersection or critical defile.
3-1, roger, out.
Jeep teams are often called upon to work in isolation and are self-sufficient for a period of 72 hours. They require thorough preparation to ensure nothing of importance is omitted.
3-9er, this is 3-2, radio check, over.
The MP company headquarters is located in the division administrative area, with 1 platoon operating the division prisoner of war cage and deployed in support of division troops. The remaining platoons are normally deployed in support of their affiliated brigades. During defensive operations, all platoons would normally come under command of the company headquarters, with their efforts directed towards traffic control activities. When a platoon is placed under command or in support of a brigade, its headquarters and one section handle the PW collecting point. It will normally locate with brigade headquarters or locate in the brigade administrative area. One section handles the PW collecting point, the other sections providing the normal MP support.
Yes, it is.
In addition, the platoon commander advises the brigade commander and his staff on all police-related matters. The company utilizes existing systems for the majority of its communications, with specialized communication support being provided by the division rear headquarters and signal squadron.
Romeo Victor with a call sign 5-1 Foxtrot.
The platoons must be able to communicate with their supported formations, their headquarters and sections, down to the Jeep team level, using radio, landline, and dispatch riders as required. Under certain circumstances, the MP company resources may not be sufficient to handle all of the assigned tasks. Unit MPs and other personnel may be required to augment the company for special operations, such as an assault river crossing or the guarding of PWs.
Okay, so we got 3 signs you said about...
The division tasks of the MP company are to provide traffic control over the route network, to assist with refugee and straggler control, to perform general security duties such as controlling of vehicle movement at division and division service group headquarters, providing traffic escorts, handling special security tasks, and assisting with rear area security operations. To operate the division PW cage and the brigade PW collecting points. To maintain good order and discipline, including investigations and disciplinary patrols. To conduct nuclear and chemical monitoring. To conduct liaison with other police agencies. And to operate a field detention facility.
around this area here.
Traffic control involves the division MP company implementing the traffic control plan prepared by the division staff. Here, MPs would be involved in operating the regulating and sector control headquarters.
The sector control, as you know, we are located right here.
Manning traffic control posts at key intersections, defiles, bridges, railheads, seaport, and other potential problem locations. Controlling start points and release points. Route signing. Reconnaissance of harbors, detours, and new routes. Patrolling established routes. Coordinating traffic priorities, block timings.
Chief engineers, urban, excuse me, moving. Yes,
2 engines just past the traffic control post 58.
thank you. Thank you. Okay, I guess things are moving along well.
Okay, on the right, that's great. Sign's good? Yeah, it's still there.
Providing information on location of important headquarters, units, routes, road information, bridge classification, and progress of convoys. Enforcing route discipline.
No, push me.
It is quite probable that the division will be faced with a substantial refugee movement. This flow will require the establishment of special traffic control posts sited to prevent refugees from reaching military routes. Mobile patrols are used to clear away those already on these routes. Where possible, additional troops and civilian police would also be assigned to augment the MP resources dedicated to refugee control. Within the division area, straggler control duties are carried out whenever possible in conjunction with other activities and with traffic control posts. If straggler control posts are established, they would be sited on the main supply route, preferably near a medical evacuation facility. They would assist in returning stragglers to their units or feed them into the medical evacuation stream. General security duties are based mainly on expected enemy activities in the division rear area. At division headquarters, for instance, the military police established the information post, enforcing movement regulations and controlling incoming traffic. They may also provide traffic escorts to guide columns or special purpose vehicles and for convoy security. Under special circumstances, the company can be called upon to provide security escorts for commanders and VIPs or for classified materials, cash, or supplies. These instances would, however, be rare within the division area. Rear area security and damage control tasks involve coordinating the MP aspects of plans and operations with the headquarters staff. These take the form of traffic control measures to seal off contaminated areas.
Tell them to put some signs at the MSR junctions of the contaminated area.
Rerouting of traffic, assisting in control of the civil population, and, if necessary, suppressing isolated pockets of guerrilla or enemy forces to keep critical routes open. The brigade platoons provide PW collecting points at the rear of the forward battalions.
0, this is 9 Delta, message over. 9 Delta, I have a 1 prisoner, send transportation, over.
To these, units deliver prisoners and captured documents, and some initial interrogation takes place. When required, a section of the division troops' MP platoon can establish a division PW cage for the temporary detention of prisoners. Here, the PWs are thoroughly searched, documented, segregated, and interrogated prior to evacuation to the core PW holding area. Within the division area, the company will contribute to the maintenance of good order and discipline. This is done by the means of ongoing investigations and disciplinary patrols. Investigations involve everything from traffic accidents to serious criminal offenses. Disciplinary patrols usually operate behind the forward brigades, where they complement the straggler and refugee control effort and assist with traffic control duties. They concentrate on crime prevention, including vice, narcotics activities, black market operations, and looting. They also seek out absentees and deserters, escorting them back to their units. Sabotage falls also under their responsibility.
Girls, girls, girls!
Generally, nuclear and chemical monitoring is conducted by mobile patrols which normally operate on specified routes. When required, special reconnaissance teams may be formed to locate areas of high contamination and to recce alternate routes around these areas. Where possible, they would establish traffic control posts to redirect road users away from these highly contaminated areas.
Get to know each other's working procedure. So I'm really looking forward to seeing.
The military police provide general liaison with their counterparts in flanking formations.
Sabotage in their brigade administrative area. And I'd like to know if you could do something
With
about
civil
that.
police forces and with other security-related agencies. All are of assistance in dealing with traffic and refugee problems and in the maintenance of discipline within the division area.
Get to the wall, commissary!
Under certain circumstances, the company may be tasked with establishing a temporary field detention facility. This task would require the MP resources to be augmented with combat arms personnel. Within the division, the military police company provides the commander with valuable support in the conduct of his operations. The military police are part of the combat potential of the division and are an integral component of any battle plan. They should, where possible, operate under centralized control so as to provide the maximum degree of support to the commander.